Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss a really very interesting point about the snake time. It's written by W. Ross. So before starting the point, I want to discuss two things with you. Look at these lines. All snakes are not poisonous. It is a very clear thing that snakes are not poisonous. Not all snakes are poisonous. Only few of them are poisonous. Rest of the snakes doesn't harm us. A snake always bites in self-protection only. It is a human nature too. We react only to protect ourselves. Otherwise, we are not reacting. So same in the case of snakes. Actually, the poet want to share the feeling of animals who react only when they feel any kind of danger. Otherwise, they just pass away. So let's start with the introduction of the poem. In this poem, the poet actually tries to say that all snakes are not poisonous. They are not going to harm us. They are harmless. It is foolish of us who kill a snake as soon as we saw it. Even if a snake is poisonous, it will do us no harm. It does not see any danger from our side. A snake always bites in self-protection only. Otherwise, it is harmless as any other creature or as any other animal. But sadly, human beings, what they do? They always try to kill a snake as soon as they see it. So now let's begin the point. Hopefully you understand it because it's really interesting and a small point. So let's start. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin long body. Here the poet who is looking at some person who trying to hit the snake with a hard stick, and the snake who is trying to escape from that person, from that stick, with the sudden curvings means sudden movement of his body. Whenever the snake move in a direction, in any direction, he moved by the curves of his body, not in a very straight position. So the poet feels that these curves are really beautiful and graceful. He loves this shape. He glides through the water away from the stroke to save himself from the stroke of that stick. He glides, he moves through the water. Oh, let him go over the water into the reeds to hide without hurt. So here the poet wants, let him go far. He wants that person who is trying to hit that snake, don't hit him. Or let him go through the water, into the reeds. What do you mean by reeds? There is small grass grown near the water. Means there is some pond or a place where there is some water, standing water, and the grass grown near that place. That is called reed. So the snake trying to escape or trying to save itself and is moving through the water towards that reed. Small and green is harmless even to children. So here the poet said that snake is really small and it's green in color, and it's even not not harmful to children. So it is harmless. Even it doesn't give any harm to small child. Along the sand he lay until observed. So the sand, the area near the pond or near that water spot, he's laying there until he's not observed by any person. And chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. And when that person chased him by the help of that stick, want to hit that snake, what that snake do to save himself or save itself? It ran towards that reed area and saved itself. So It just vanish in the ripples among the green slippery ripples, the waves of water. It vanished through the waves of water in that the reed area. So by this the snake saved itself. Actually, this is a small point, and that is what the poet want to convey. That even a small creature like snake or even any other animal we are going to talk about, they not provide give us any harm if we not disturb them. So whenever you saw a snake or some any other animal which you feel that that animal will make you any harm, just maintain a distance and let them go. They never react. Hopefully you understand this poem. It's a really small and really interesting one. If you have any confusion, any query, you can contact me.